Ctube is committed to global standards electrical conduits customization solutions. Awarded as National High-Tech Enterprise and specialized in New Enterprise, Ctube has been constantly providing competitive settlements, excellent products and services to home decoration and construction projects like tunnels, bridges, photovoltaic plants, wind power stations, hospitals and airports, etc. Ctube, the first UL-listed and CSA-certified PVC conduits manufacturer in China, focuses on developing and manufacturing high-quality products and annually obtains various national technology patents. Main product series are separately certified by UL, CSA, AS, NZS, CE, IEC, CNAS, etc. with excellent quality guaranteed. We have two brands, Ctube and Leon. Ctube's products has been exporting to marketplaces in Europe, North America and Australia, serving famous construction projects in various industries. Global customization, leading to the future. Ctube is born for the time and devoted to creating better life for all human beings.